And now for a short update on the beans. I'm still having trouble with the Fortex beans, so they did come up, but it looks like critters are eating the new leaves as soon as they come up. So I'm not able to get any of these. I have one plant here, and that's it, and that was planted from, and that was from the bean that I planted before. So I think I'm going to try again one last time, but this time start the seedlings fully in the house and transplant them. Beans don't like this, but at this point I don't know what else to do. The soybeans appear to be doing very well, so they're coming up. Some of them are getting their first leaves now. So overall, this looks like it is going to be a success, unless something decides to eat all their leaves too. The Landreth Stringless Beans are coming up just fine. They have their first set of leaves. Some of them still need to come up, but I'm happy to have 4 good looking plants so far. Here are the other Landreth Stringless Beans. These are kind of leggy because over here they're getting a lot of shade. I probably should have planted them on the other side of the planter so they could get some sun. And that's all for the beans.